Yo gang, what's happening? It's your boy BZ back with another brand new video. Today we're gonna be back on market option trading, binary options trading, and a lot more. I'm gonna be giving you insight on my how I put my support, how I put my resistance, how am I able to snipe those trades as quickly as possible. It's a lot more, so sit back and relax. Before we jump into it, don't forget to subscribe, like, and join the best Telegram channel for binary option trading strategies, signals, everything for absolutely free. Links are in the description. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Yo gang, let's get right into the chart. And the first thing that you can see is that we're on AUD USD. And first things first that I'm looking at this chart right here. Let's take a little look. You can see we're in a downward trend. And how can we see? We can see that the price is just crossed our green 200 EMA, as well as zigzag is showing as well low. When we look at our stochastic oscillator, we can see that we are just past, a little bit past oversold conditions. Now, it would be a situation if you were to think that the market is going to stop right here, but I think the market is going to continue all the way up here. So right now might be a good time to enter into a put option. So now that we see that the region is above 20, we're able to enter this trade for $1,000 and see if this can happen. If we can take some profits on that. So let's look at Euro, Australian dollar, while we're waiting for that trade to hit. We're a couple of points away. Our trade is at 06288, and we just need it to pull down a little bit more. Okay, while we're doing that, let's analyze euros, Australian dollars. So first thing we're seeing is we're above our moving average, which is good. Now what next thing we're looking for is the highest point right here. We can see here at 163218, that's one. And let's look for another right here. Let's just put that mark over there. Okay, so right here we can see, so definitely this is definitely a situation where you get for a call option. So I'm definitely going to take that risk and enter into a call. Everything just seemed aligned. We're in an upward trend, very strong candles. We don't see those candles being pushed down a lot. We can see a little bit right here. Let me try to point that out a little bit clearer. There used to be like a trend line you could use here, but I think that they removed it. All right, so both trades really look to be doing good. I really want to see a little bit more separation here, but we'll take it. When it comes to our AUD USD trade, I think that we could have done better with our entry point right here, and we lost $1,000 because of that. All right, so just based on this market, there's nothing that shows that this market should pull up here, because here's our line drawn here, and it's definitely past this at this point. Let's put another one there. So definitely it's so close that it could be the point where the market changes, but I'm not expecting that much of a change from the market in this situation. So I'm still expecting the market to pull downwards after we see this. So right here, I'm entering into a call, thinking that's the highest point of the market. I might be betting against the trend, but I can see the sellers pushing that price down a little bit and just holding that price a little bit lower for the next couple of candles before we see a full change. So we've seen it pass through our price level, but I'm still expecting the sellers to keep that price low to a point that we'll be able to take profit and just repeat exactly what we did in the beginning. So as you can see here, we've got 7 seconds left, and it's good. So we're able to take $920, but that kind of cancels out our loss in the beginning with $80 to go. So when we go here, you can see I missed out on it. I made a mistake. I should definitely follow this trend. I was counting on the fact that the market would hit here before we see a change in direction. But as you can see, we see a change in direction here. And it's obvious just because looking how close the stochastic oscillator is moving up. So right here, I'm going to take a little bit more of a risk. Just because I feel like this is the right trade to enter into right now. So right here, we enter 5K. And even if we lose this, I'm going to be okay because the profits from here is definitely going to cancel out that. So it's a math game, pretty much. If we can get this profit, I'm going to be good. So while we're waiting for that to hit on a different level, go back to Euro AUD, which we were able to take profit based on the fact that it was going up. Now we've seen that the price isn't even close to hitting our price right there. But we see it's past the recent high, and it's creating not a new high, but recent new high. And so we might continue to just follow that trend upwards, if I'm being honest. I'm going to follow this trend right here, upwards. Right here, looks like we're in good hands. We're seeing the market pull up. 2760 on one of the trades and 1820 on another. I think that this definitely puts us in good hands. Oh, with 10 seconds left, we pulled a little bit below 13.76. We were just good. 3, 2, 1. We got our money back on our $3,000 trade, and we take profit on our $2,000 trade. So pretty much back to square one. Pretty much back to square one. But I think we'll double up here again. Because most definitely we're sure that the market is going upwards. There is absolutely no question about this. And looks like we're gonna lose our Australian dollar AUD trade. But this is gonna be our last trade. As you can see, we made some trade, but looks like most often we're just breaking even, and this might just be the trade we need to enter into some into the profit zone a little bit today. And one thing I want to discuss, everyone is talking about like I don't know, I guess it's probably most people who are on YouTube, mostly you guys are saying like, yo bro, you wear only the same black hoodie every single day. And I'm like, do you guys understand that you can have more than one of something? And also, that doesn't even make it the most annoying thing. The most annoying thing is that it makes me some kind of it makes me a weirdo because I'm not like wearing huge things that have brands on them. Not that I don't like it, it's just because I like to keep my mind clean and just make those decisions that affect like my day-to-day life. So like making a decision about what to wear, I really don't have to think about it since all of my clothes are the same. So I just pick it up. Shoes might be a little bit where now even more than ever, I don't even do that anymore. So pretty much it's dead in that situation. So I'm focused on the real thing, how to create content and how to better my content, how to become a better trader overall. So that's definitely more important than choosing what t-shirt to wear. And as you can see, with 3 seconds left, we are able to take a profit on both trades, and we're able to get our account to about 18K, which is great. I guess that's where I'm going to end the video for today. But you can see that this trend is starting even without seeing that confirmation from Zigzag. I would quietly follow this trend upwards, honestly. up to anywhere here before we start to see any diversion in the market. So thank you guys for joining me for the BZ Trade video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, hit the notification button so you know when a new video comes out. It's been your boy Busy, and I'm out.